Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Apple AirTags. So you can see we got the 4-pack. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys the front of the box. So you can see the sides and the top don't have much. And here's the bottom. Here's the back. It's very plain, very Apple. And let's go ahead and get this open. Now, since it's Apple, they usually have, yep, here it is, the easy open tab. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, that's the box. We have a 1-year limited warranty. That's good to know. I'm guessing regulatory information. Also good to have. Okay. And this is the safety and handling information. All right. So this is the box. Very plain. Simple setup instructions. I have heard it's a lot like the HomePod, where you can just turn on your phone and put this above it and it'll just sync with it. See, simple instructions. You can see they are about an inch, maybe. They're not super thin, especially not into comparison with something like a tile, but this is very shiny. This is stuck for some reason. Oh, this was a tab probably under the battery to keep it nice and charged. You can see the words. And pulling that tab out seemed to have turned it on. I do know there was a way, we might do a video on it later, on how you can replace the battery yourself as the end user. Now that seems to be the end of our unboxing. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.